Hello guys, today I will show you on my collection. So the first phone is an iPhone 2G, is an 8 GB model running iOS 3.1.3. The second one is iPhone 3G. It somehow does power on, but it's stuck. But it does boot loop cause the battery is just it's dead. And it's also 8 GB running some version of iOS 4. The third phone is an iPhone 4S. It is in the black color, probably 16 GB. iCloud lock running iOS 9.3.5. The fourth phone is another 4S. This is also 16 GB, but white. It's also iCloud lock running iOS 9.3.5. In here, it's another 4S. There in that 4S, there's a motherboard from my FMI off iPhone 4S, 64 GB white, running iOS 6.1.3. The sixth phone is an iPhone 5. It's a 16 GB running iOS 8.4.1. It has a cracked screen. It's an iPhone, this 5C, 16 GB running iOS 10.3.3. Doesn't have a battery and the screen. This 5S is 16 GB running iOS 10, is a gold color, and it's also iCloud bypassed. This is the iPhone 6 have right now. It's it's a space gray 16 GB running iOS 12.7, and also has been iCloud bypassed. Screen is a little bit funky. And the another iPhone 6, this is also 16 GB running iOS 12.5.7, but it's perfectly working. It also says great. Here is my 6S in the gold color, 16 GB running iOS 14.6. It has a very bad battery. This is why I cannot use it properly. This is my iPhone 7, matte black, 32 GB. It's running iOS 15.4. Doesn't have a battery. The charging port just went properly connected, that's why it wouldn't work. And the screen has not working digitizer. This is another iPhone 7 gold, 32 GB running iOS 15.3. This one is running 15.4. And it also, this phone has the dead baseband, and the codec IC, just the audio codec doesn't also work. Oh, it also heats a lot. And it just shows the temperature warning. And this phone has a dead baseband, which is unfortunate. It also has the screen, the screen also has a not working digitizer. And that's it. And this is an iPhone 7 Plus, 128 gigs, matte black, running iOS 15.8.2. I really love this phone. And this is my iPhone 8, 64 gig model, running iOS 16.7.10. This is my iPhone X, 64 GB. Silver. This one is gold, running iOS 16.7.10. This is my S5 Mini, so it's a 16 GB. I forgot gold color. I forgot how it's called. It's running Android 6.0.1. Yep, it runs 6.0.1. Now this is a Galaxy S7. It's a 432 gig variant. It runs Android 8.0.0, but unfortunately the screen doesn't work. Here is my, the Grand Neo GTI 9060, and it probably has not working charging port, so this is why I cannot use it, unfortunately. This is a Samsung SM-B310E. It doesn't work, which is unfortunate. This mine says Nokia N76. It also doesn't work, probably the battery is cooked. This Nokia 105 2017, it does work, which is nice. This is the AirPods 2, works. This is the real one. It works perfectly fine. This is a rip-off AirPods. This is an iPod Shuffle. This is my only iPod in my collection. This is an Apple Watch Series 3. The battery's cooked. This is my Apple Watch Series 2. Apple Watch SE2, I mean. It does work perfectly. This is my iPad 4. Oh, it does work, but there is no digitizer, so I cannot use it, unfortunately. And this is my... Oh, it's running iOS 10.3.3. The Apple Watch runs 10.0.1. WatchOS 10.0.1. And my iPad Pro runs, iOS 17.4.1. This is my iPad Pro, 11-inch, 2018. And this is my iPhone 11, a 64 gig model, and it's also running iOS 17.6.1, black night color. And my iPad has 16 gig of storage. And that's all of my phone. That's all my